The study team at Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health is ecstatic that you are interested in advancing research and physicians' understanding of women's health. In this short video, you will be guided through how to enroll in the study. Navigate to the Studies pane on the bottom of your screen. Click on the Learn More and Enroll button. After you review the information about the study and wish to move forward, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select the Enroll in Study button. You will start the enrollment process by filling out your research profile, signing a few forms, and reviewing requests for data access. All of these steps should take you about 10 minutes. When you are ready to proceed, select the Next button. Begin filling out your research profile. Please include your first name, last name, date of birth, email, phone number, region of residence, and state of residence. Please note, if you reside in Alabama or Nebraska, you must be 19 years or older to participate. If you live in Puerto Rico, you must be at least 21 years old. For all other regions, the enrollment age is 18 years. Once completed, select the Next button. In order to participate in a research study, you must provide consent. Please pause the video and take a moment to read through the consent form in its entirety within your research app. Once you are done reading through, please resume the video. Thank you for reading the informed consent. Now it's time to officially give your consent. Using your fingertip, sign into the box below. To participate in this study, data is essential. Click on the Review Request button. This data helps researchers understand the relationship between your menstrual cycle, health behaviors, and lifestyle habits. You can scroll through to see the different types of data sets researchers are interested in collecting. If you wish, you can toggle the individual categories on and off, or select the Turn All Categories On button at the top of the screen. Once you have decided how much or how little data you would like to share, select the Allow button at the top right-hand side of the screen. Now click on the Next button. Congratulations! You are now enrolled in the Apple Women's Health Study. You can now complete tasks and contribute data. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For a walkthrough on how to complete tasks, please watch our Completing Tasks video.